this is about law, and in law we know there are two main branches, that is the criminal law and the civil law. So if you take the criminal law, it actually deals with the certain offences defined as crime, and it is the law related with those crimes are known as criminal law. And on the other hand, the civil law deals with enforcement of contractual obligations and contractual terms agreed upon between two parties. Actually, the civil law is only concerned with enforcing the terms and obligations as per the contract. So this is the main difference. And also, if you take civil law, there are several categories. Now, one is in the is actually the contract law. But in UK, with the evolution of the English law, they found that in certain areas, the contractual law cannot help individuals. Now this is where the example is Dono versus Stevenson case. Now, this is a landmark case that gave rise to the law of negligence under civil law. Now, the thing is, the law of negligence is normally not covered under contractual law. It's coming as a separate branch of civil law. So, actually, it's called a tort, law of tort. Now, the thing is, if you take a situation, like say in this case, one lady went with another friend of her to a cafe to have a drink, and then her friend bought the drink and served her. And when half she drank the drink, she found a cockroach inside the cup of drink, and she badly got affected, and then had to undergo treatment. And when she went to her attorney, sued this restaurant. But the restaurant pointed out there was no contract with her. It's her friend who bought the drink, and neither the now in also like also they said that this person who got affected did not give any consideration in return. This is a limitation of contractual law, and therefore English law courts actually introduced the law of negligence. The law of negligence very clearly says, like in case of situations like this, like a negligence can be established. That is, it stipulates in certain principles. That is, one has a duty of care towards others, and then to establish a negligence, a duty of care should be there first, and also there should be a breach of that duty of care. And third one is the harm has arisen because of the breach. So if these three conditions are there, the negligence can be established. So the law of negligence is a very important area now, say in civil law under law of torts. Now, say for example, a bus driver has a duty of care towards those in the road and those in the bus. But he has no duty of care towards those who are walking in another road far away from that place. So once you establish the duty of care, is there a breach of duty of care? If he drives the bus faster, speed increases, that means there is a the breach of duty of care. And also there is a crime also going beyond the traffic speeds. And then say one person fallen in the bus got injured. Is it due to the breach, that injury? Is it because the person went fast that injury was caused? Or anyway, that person had a problem and where he cannot stand properly when traveling in a bus. So if these three conditions are satisfied, a negligence case can be established.